All right, double clicking. This is another CIQ technique, but what it's going to do is help you kind of dig down. So maybe someone says something and you're like, there's something there, but I'm not real sure what it is. You want to double click like you do on a mouse, right? It's like you open a folder, double click, you open another folder, double click, you open another folder. You want to keep asking questions to get down to where the truth is. And that will help you start to redirect, reframe, refocus. And so keep asking questions because the questions help people expand their mind, right? Remember, our map is only what we've experienced in our life. We can't understand, acknowledge, or know anything outside of what our brain has experienced. And so when you start asking questions, you start pushing those little boundaries, right? You just start pushing them out a little bit for them. And if you stay with them in that moment and you don't judge and you stay with them and you think about how to make them comfortable, what you're doing is making it comfortable to be in that space of growth. And you make growth part of your culture, part of the way in which people think of you and why they will come to you and how they'll run your business. And we're going to go back to that page 10 in our workbook. In our very first session, we talked about getting curious. And that was a competency, right? And a skill. And now you can see how we've kind of turned it around and we've used it again. And that's why it's important to develop competencies, because you use them across a lot of skills and they get better over time, right? They just keep growing. And so on page 10, you have all those questions. We first talked about how to use those questions on yourself. Now think about how to use those questions on others.